Hey guys, today we'll be solving LeetCode number 3612, process string with special operations, first part. This is a medium problem on LeetCode and it is also the daily problem for today. Now, what are we given in the question itself? So we're told that there is a string, right? Let's call it S. And we're told that it contains the letters A to Z, okay, lowercase in particular. And this string can also have a hashtag, a star, and a modulo sign within the string, right? And we're supposed to carry out special operations for each of these symbols. So if we're given a star in this case, then we have to remove last character, so I'll just write last over here. For the hash, we're supposed to duplicate, so we're supposed to essentially just do array addition. Then for the modulo sign, we're supposed to reverse the entire result that we have so far. Now so before I get to anything, what is a data structure that helps us efficiently remove the thing that is last inserted? So if you said stack, that's a pretty good answer, and yes, it is the correct answer. The thing that helps us remove our previous entry the quickest is the stack, right? In this case, it is particularly useful for the multiplication symbol, right? It's not really useful for duplicate and reverse, that's not really the thing. It is much more useful for the last, essentially, right? So how do we keep a track of the last character that we added? Well, that would just be at the top of our stack, in this case stack -1 or stack top, right? And if we wanted to remove it, well, it's simple as well. It's just stack.pop, right? We remove the last ever character we inserted. And that's pretty much it for this question. So if I write down the code now, I'll just walk through step by step for each case. If we do for so we now get our character. Now how do we determine when to add, when to get these special symbols? Well, we have a function in Python in particular is alpha that will help you check if it is an alphabetical character. If it is, well, we don't really care, just add it for now, right? We only care about these special symbols. Now there's only A to Z, or the special symbols that's given to us, so we can safely write a else statement in this case. Now we'll break down what to do for each individual character. So if we're given a star, then make sure that your stack has some element, right? If it does, then stack.pop. If it isn't, then this will simply just return an error, right? So you need to make sure that you check before you remove from your stack. Now the other case where it is a hashtag, well, we have to do array addition, and the way you do that is just stack plus equals stack. So what that essentially is doing is, like, you have some stack over here, and all you've done is add another stack. This will in Python give you a new stack with both of the elements, right? And the last case where it is reverse, I'll just use the shorthand notation, so you can just do stack and reassign it like that, or you can also write down stack.reverse to make it reverse in place, right? At the end, just return your stack. Essentially just do a dot join, right, with a blank empty space, and then do a dot join on your stack. This lets you essentially join it into a final string that you will submit as your answer. And that's pretty much it for this question.